Scheduled maintenance. When you take your vehicle to the shop and your mechanic tells you you need to do your scheduled maintenance service, do you feel like it's a creative way to get you to hand over a blank check? Why is that? Do we really need scheduled maintenance? The short answer is that your car is made up of many different systems that need to be maintained. By performing your regularly scheduled maintenance, it lowers the chance that you will break down on the road, leaving you stranded and with higher repair costs. We all have heard the saying, if it's not broke, don't fix it. This doesn't apply to scheduled maintenance. What if you took that approach with rock climbing? As you head out to climb a beautiful mountain right up the 300-foot rock face, would you think, well, my rope's been good for hundreds of climbs. It may be a little worn and fraying a bit, but it's not broken yet. As you see, this is where safety, caution, and a little scheduled or preventative maintenance is necessary. Now I know if your car overheats because your fluids are not cooling your engine, or if your timing belt snaps, it's probably not going to be as dangerous as rock climbing. However, it is going to interrupt your day, be super annoying, and will cost a lot more than if it was replaced before it broke. So just how common is breaking down on the side of the road? Let's check out some stats. Here's some fun trivia that will serve as an example. AAA alone, not counting the other towing companies, had 29 million roadside assistance calls last year. What were they for? 17 million were for dead batteries, flat tires, and keys locked in your car. The other 12 million were for assorted things, the top ones being 2 million transmission failures, 235,000 brake system failures, 13,000 of them were for incorrect fueling of the vehicle, which is a fancy way of saying they ran out of gas, and the rest were for various repairs on your vehicle. Many auto shop owners and techs say that 80% of these could have been avoided with regularly scheduled maintenance. So when you think scheduled maintenance, think about the rock climber and the rope. Is it good for another climb? Or think about scheduled maintenance like your brakes. They're probably okay, but isn't it better to make sure? We recommend that you do. Let us help keep you safe on the road and on time to all the daily errands you need to run, the sporting events that you want to attend, that special dance recital, and the awesome fun road trips, without the worry, frustration, and hassle of some silly little part that should have been inspected and fixed on your last scheduled maintenance visit. We suggest you come visit us every 5,000 miles. We find that our happiest customers love knowing that their vehicle is in tip-top shape. If there is something wrong with your vehicle, we will know it most of the time before it happens. Not only do we complete any manufacturer recommended maintenance, we also check your fluids, belts, hoses, brakes, and any other component we think may need attention. Then we will let you know if they need to be fixed now or can be fixed on a future visit. If you have any other questions, don't hesitate to give us a call and talk to one of our friendly experts today.